Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to clean up background sounds in Audacity. So, first thing is of course record a voice, and after that just simply tap on your keyboard Control A, and now go ahead and go for the effect and go for the noise removal and repair, and after that go for the noise reduction. Now from here, first is go for the step one, which is get noise profile. Now, once you have done that, go for the effect again, then go for the noise removal and repair, and go for the noise reduction. Now, first one we will have noise reduction. So you could just simply increase this one to reduce some noise reduction, and you could adjust the sensitivity as well. And now you will have the frequency smoothing as well. So guys, you could just simply play around with this. And if you want to preview the sound, you could just simply click on this. And now, once you are satisfied, you can just simply click on OK to apply the changes. Now, if you want to increase the volume, go for the effect again, go for the volume and compression, go for the amplify, and just simply adjust this a little bit. And from here, click on apply, and you should be able to have a better audio. Hey guys, welcome back. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.